Hey guitar enthusiasts, Lauren Bateman here. In this lesson video, we're going to talk about an easy way to play Dust in the Wind by strumming instead of picking. So let's get into the video. Now everybody knows to capture the real essence of the song, we have to finger pick. But for some people, that's a really intermediate skill and they want to be able to play the song in a way that's accessible to them. That's where I come in. So let's talk about how we're going to play the intro to this song without all this complicated picking. So the intro is only going to use two chords, okay? And we're going to use a C chord and an A minor chord. That's all we're going to use. And what we're going to do is we're just going to strum 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and, which is down, down, up, down, down, up. And I'm playing a C chord here. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. All right, and the same for A minor. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. So while the guitarist is doing all this fancy fun stuff, we're going to be just strumming underneath it. So we would play that strumming pattern. We would do 4 down, down, ups. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then we would go to A minor. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then we would just repeat that. And that's how we're going to get through the intro section of this song. So next, let's talk about our verse. Then we'll talk about our chorus and what we're going to do for the solo section of the song. Overall, the strumming pattern's not changing that much. It's just the timing of the chords is changing. So on the intro, we really got to hang out on a C chord, and we got to hang out on an A minor chord. In the verse, we're going to be moving a little bit quicker. Chords are only going to be 2 beats. So for this verse, we've got C, G, A minor twice, G, D minor, A minor twice, and then we're going to repeat that again. So if we apply our strumming pattern, it's going to sound like this. It's going to be 1, 2, and G, 4 and A minor, 2 and 3, 4 and G, D minor, and then A minor. So we will repeat that twice. So C is getting 1, 2, and then G is getting 3, 4, and. Feel free also to always rewind and rewatch sections if you need a little bit more time and a little bit more explanation on them. But what we're going to do is jump right into the chorus section now. So the chorus, again, nothing's going to change on this strumming pattern. We're keeping this as simple for you guys as possible, but the chords are going to change. We're going to pull in a D major chord, not minor, D major. So you're going to need D major, G major, and then A minor twice. And then we just repeat that. D major, G major, A minor twice. It'll sound like this. Dust in the wind. All we are is dust in the wind. So you can see how we're making this applicable to a more beginner player so that you don't have to go and finger pick. Let's talk about that solo section of the song right now. Now the solo section of the song is going to be super easy for you while the strummer is playing all these intricate crazy things. While we're doing all these crazy things, we're just going to keep it simple. All we have to do is hang out on A minor. That's all we're going to do for the majority of this solo until the very end, where we go back to the intro. So there's a bunch of measures of the violinist just playing their solo, but you're going to hear that intro section come in. So you're going to hear this. And when you hear that, you're going to go back to the intro, which is just playing C and A minor. But for the most of this solo, you're just going to sit there and just keep strumming that A minor chord. That's all I want you to do until you hear that intro part come in. Once that's done, we're going to jump right back into a verse and then another chorus. Make sure to like this video and comment below and let me know what other songs you would like me to do on my YouTube channel. You'll probably see some videos pop up over here. I have lots of lessons for you guys to learn from, so check them out, and I hope to see you guys in the next lesson video. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.